Never see what kind of young man, Papa. Oh, I sit yeah, the four. And Yanko Parson be and come up our yesterday. I think it's it. And that's so. There be a maker in piano job. In piano parents and the PA and a pay. It's said when Yamia Samoa or dear Maye say Yenimunina Monche. Na and then a bear 2 days. And me notice yes, 4 videos. I want my timeline agility. Now, at I see, I don't know why, but I think said there's something going on. The Satan is fighting, but we will not give up. I noticed that there's 3 or 4 videos that was deleted from my timeline. Honestly, I was suspecting say it could be my little girl who deleted it. But I later received a feedback from Facebook. They deleted Do Not Fall for Their Lies. They also deleted Do Not Follow Miracle and Pepeyemu, Original Light and the Fake Light. All these 4 videos has been deleted. Now, out of what we are not giving up because we know the reason that God has sent us, and we know that you will meet such conflicts because the Satan always fights against us, and we're not gonna give him the chance to overcome us or conquer us, because no matter how we are the Satan targets, but we are determined to finish the race of the salvation. So we will never ever discourage about anything that he uprises against our lives. Today we're gonna talk about the service to God is the service to mankind. Now, the reason I chose this topic today is because of the way a lot of people are being deceived. Many people are deceiving others. Many people are being opportunists. All in the name of God, for the sake of Jesus Christ, they are deceiving people. They know whenever they sabotage the name of Jesus, whatever they're doing, people will be trapped in it, or people will be convinced of their lives. And for that reason, many Ghanaians who love Jesus Christ so much, who love God so much, has been entangled with lies. They are being deceived in deceptive way. That people are telling them, this is for God. You don't need to do this. This is for God. You don't need to make it like that. It's for God. And they are using this sabotage to deceive many who do not know about the scriptures. But there is one thing for sure, that we are aware that God will not ascend from heaven to down here and come and take tithe from your hands. Money. He will not come to the church and say, make an account of the money that you receive from the church today. Make an account of any contribution, the welfare, woman ministry contribution, man ministry contribution, youth contribution, including appreciation gifts, and then Father's Day gifts, Mother's Day. Make all these accounts, make it to me. God will not ascend from this down and ask anybody to make any account for him concerning money or nothing that is perishable. And it's me, I know me adoption. And Yama way and Yama Bia, in fact, it breaks my heart. It just pains me. It breaks me into pieces. So people will be using the name of God to deceive others. People will be using the name of God. So to me, all because it said it's for God. All because it said but one no original. Onyo he is a man like you, but I not see what your Nyankopon di pa. But what Jeffrey won the oyo Nyankopon ponche. Uyo Nyankopon J, Uyo Nyankopon the frumu, but already are a man of God. Because of that, people are not thinking. Ignorance is killing many Christians today. If a pastor is standing on congregation, demanding from you to pay tithing, demanding from you to bring any kind of seed that you have diverted and converted it as money. And he said to you, say, this money is for God. And he is the one taking the money from your hands. And he tells you, say, it's for God. Some pastors are saying to their church members, saying to congregations, say, whenever you are bringing the tithe to the house of God, and if there is anything at all, you shouldn't take any of the money that you are bringing as a tithe to anybody, because it's for God. But he is not a God. But also no ye the onyame nipa, but wo de onyame aponche. Wa wo de kwane de onyame edwan onyame akokọ no. But ono ogina wane de. Just recently, people has been establishing many churches and they have begun to make huge properties. I'm telling you, buying new cars, building new houses. Now they want building houses. They have land, they don't have it. They want buying different cars. But at the moment they jump into a church businesses, they began to buy new properties. And they will tell you, say, do not seek a treasure on this earth. No one more catch you say, "Whoa, make sure the padia was at you." But on that year, he taking from you to flourish himself, luxury himself, building houses and putting on bank to secure or known in the future. Out of what, mommy, 1 minute. Obeti mi o haje, sameto mani yeso bieri. Esi mo jilu mi o, ade phone wine. Maybe I see every year of when you at this time, many people are not at home at this time, but we will go on. We're gonna talk a lot. What catch me say? I should bring tithing, I should bring offering, I should bring seed, even a seed that has been converted as money this time. Now me from the whole stuff one. Now catch me say you nyankopon dia. And in Sasa Meme Saka, and as Sasa Meme Yibo Bibiara or Yenipa, I was some of the brow as a woo your Yaminipa, but your neighbor your Yamia Ponche, the old Jeffrey and Chado and Yamia Coco, but old Jenny the Oyo Yaminipa. Now we are one catch on the Bakwane say, Monte Shadow Modio Assassin will so. This is some of the nonsense, and many public to say, Moshe, Avra Moshe, Timipa Babrimu. This is some of the nonsense that we are facing as Christians. Yamo ni permit to say Moshe atiatism for etimi wura Bible ni mu. One so for general catch congregation members say. One mo sho madam odi e wosoro. One mo sho madam odi e wosoro bet wo de wo ji afu won ho. Na wo de sit na akese. Wo de talk as akese. Wo de talk as akese. Wo de nishio. Asase ko de tobi. Asasi wobi nibi na so obe wura nyame adwuma mu anu asase na wo sit down start akase na wo talk asakase wo wura nyame adwuma mu fie mi asamai na wo se fie wo wura nyame adwuma mu se evangelist prophet pastor whatever wo wura mu ncha yo eni fie mi ansa na so wo se fie to talk cars no catch wo se hwe wada modi wo soro wo catch wo to collect wo de offering. What the pastors appreciation day? What the pastors a Father's Day free one? What the women's and men contribution? What the welfare cassia? Any free one, I catch us a wish of them with you was so. Never. The best she had them with you, I want to soon on my pampas. I'm coming. Obi fata je mra sore. Neso obi wukura wase mo onyi bi ma no esa so onyankopon sika. Aya onyame sika. Ani ti won fa sika ne mra. Aso dem on fa mra wo sofo no because wo de wo ye nyame nipa. Anyine no onyankopon wo wa. Wo de pa no wo de tight ne ba no wo de koma nyankopon no. Wo de bro. Ayo onyankopon da bi obaka da bi me a man of God. Eti mi gina so onyankopon de e onyame akoa na de odi bare de ogina so de onyame na ntwie anaso ogina so onyame akokọ anaso odi de ogina so onyankopon de e ade na ogina ho ma Atrone nada. Na mo so mama ni na ho. Mama ni na ho. Because kasa ye kasa no. Ya kasa ni bra so se wo ba mo ni ada ho. Na nya se ne fe so. And imagine how many people are. One more thing, sorry. What is the purpose? And yes, one more thing was from you. What about the creating Kakra UK or Manchester? Creating Kakra ya. Ghana for sorry one kwa ekwa bese 50. Ekwa bese 50. E da ti na nyina nkwaje ati ne ani abrenya ntimi ke humom. E kira wo se enya nkwaje ntia. Aye business any pay ye nipa bem so no nyesika in the name of God e dey sabotage nti. E dey nti na Ghana ye tin so de a na so de o mu furu so ye no kran sore no o mu ntimi nka o mu mum no no nyina build the temple of Christ the one. But over no and sorry p one man churches and the Orthodox churches, Pentecostal churches, one churches, p nala na for ye invented. Mi lo adie kakra. Me lo ne kakra. Me pese me invite enkrofo kakra da me ya. Me ya na ya to aso. Won sempi ka. Won sempi ka. Na nsema me pese me ka no. Se nya me so makoma. Because ya na eya humtisa, eya bufusam. Eya tete ne ahisem. Eya tantasem. Ni ekoso Mr. Rade se oma makoma na manu entia ni ese meka because ade a ya pa enti e be koso ni wie wa brabo yimu nentu pre wo hu e wo wi ase eja pode yimu empre wo hu cheye Rade aye dani e bi be so Emma wabe mumu nenkwa ni o nkwa na wadi o ye de pichi a na ehye ya de because ye yensam na ye kan onye ni panyina ne pe onmo pe glory be upon your house, anointing of God be upon your gates. Yes, onye bi na pichi you have a time for that. Ya na ehye ya de ndieba because I suffer for me invite me. They are scared to invite me. I won't invite me because when they knew say when they invite me, gonna be a war. Yo, I for your mom pay and therefore hey. Azemo. Me bad judge. Me bad judge be some me in this rattle. Yo yamo empire of na yemfa asem nemra won kwakro brafo teginafo nyankopon ya otimi ade na ye eja ene ye to yensa fro se be fa no mu se de dawo na mo honkonko so bi ma wi mu no na wona mo asem so bubu nkonya ne akonsidie ma onipa dwene nti ase mu da ho sare na so ye to yensa fro se le ne padua.ca ifiri ho fa honkonko a ifiri nyansem no ebe hye ma na obi bia obetie wasem no watie firi honhom mu na watimi ate ase anya adwensaka ne akoma mpapa mu era wasesa wa ye ne saade adom ye nso adom ne nti amen ora fo onyankopon enhyirawo na me no kasa me ba for me to be bu ase ne yakasa na me no kasa se na no ya hye bi enne bibi e fe the church organization. It's not about church organization say a spiritual church organization, but it has been the church businesses. People are running church businesses. But be a kase 1 Corinthians chapter 5 verse 10 also be biala be gina temo gonanim na ne nyuma bia wo ye no obu ho akonta say ye papa say ye bone enti wadwere be o say na mpane so wo de Yesu Kristo din ato babro so wo kan kwaje asem to free so wo de obi ahunu wo sori a wo ka di fo atrofo asem mo na mama maga ne mo yaden mo asofo ye na mo sori wiase mo na mama wiase dindin de mo na mama bone ne amum ya do so aya mo na mama krono mo na mama sabia ware ye guo mo na mama maso odefo aba mo sa asofo aya mo Masofo banya mo ye no. Mo na mama boni nyina ade hini. And the yasha ni yakwaso. And wasofo gyina so dam a. Se wo kan kwade asam. Se won kan kwade asam. Hwesika akwa so dam ho. Enti woni pa ne kura ni sika wontimi nkwasore. And now what depend this guy, so of course, I pano, as I saw of you in Yakopon, as I saw what I am a crossery, as some nippon with me a sorry. Now you better Europe, yeah. I saw the bike cry, Yamusalam Sabra for the yam so buy it. I saw the cry at the gun, I know. I brought for so yeah, sorry. I brought for almost yes, almost a nipper. What is on Yakopo at almost what thing? Now so Copron, yes, sorry. And yeah, now so said, more from a tight mara. One cobron, yes, baby Bianda. And yan now say, quarantine time, offering time. One cobron, yes, sorry. And yan can't tell, say, Pastor's Appreciation Day. Wobi appreciate to Obia, Obina Catcherano. So the person appreciate to Obia, and you be a Catcherano say, Pastor's Appreciation Day. Appreciation comes from a man's heart. Sowing a seed, and that is a seed that shall restoration. And now, to near than sowing a seed as a cat. Now, catcher will be said, what if I qualify to the sword to do? What if I offer tight? And that's a one for any kind of money. Ever me born ya kopon juma. So just here, no what's that catch when if I say? No one dependent with so for no consent so for. Abra ya church tight once a me. And now ya church quite before so that boy ya me jumain. And the same ya me the tight boy ya me fee. Next will be yale, I want me fee. And then we got 2 of you or so yare. Now pesika hospital. Me first kind of man go hospital. And I said, what's yan and the yamisika? And it's all cigar for hot ya no the abuano. But so many cigar for hot ya. I need a yamisika, I was so the brown yame. What about yamifie? Are you kidding me? A service to God is a service to mankind. That ben on your pobeja was off for you, was sort of and like the ben on your mesmo before be so before was so for simeti ho, for catching the same. I feel the winina, but so the winina, Sika when you to so to do. And that what I say, what yeah. And that's a welfare contributions our day was on. Catch us offering in amount, no from the heaven. Nam yasa for a day, me from good day, me product and muda. I dare be a was as he was no. I dare be on Yakopon, what year was as he was no, assassin was one as I did is no. Yet in from Cosome. And it's the 1 Corinthians 15 was a perishable thing cannot impress non perishable thing. So on Yakoposika. When ya me esika, when ya me dia sasa odon saka, when ya me dia sasa odon saka, at what we just saw them one arm. What from saw yourself one, what we nipa, and the way to carry be talker, where to carry be toss, I say, what's going to be sit dying, what we nipa, but all the offering was away on your mini pa. Now, one in now, what the idea banner there. The other person be put and said, you want your title, no? I did you want your welfare, no? You are just on them, no? Or the old and mini power, no, your wine. Or your mere punching. And now I am giant. And that's all you have become cool. You read the book of 1 Peter chapter 2, verse number 9. Was it was Freya? Well, can't if someone saying the crack, I saw the clock is to 4 who is that for. Well, Freya, you know, or mine, or my conquer Nakopana Casamani, and you are so for. Revelation chapter 5 verse number 10. Was it was Freya from Mount Rocasa Woodwa, and you was your quote drum said, Yamna man suffer. And it's your name, catcher say, nobody is superior than anybody. What will you have for? Or you want to see a church for? Or you want to see another so I as a pacani, or you want to see your leaf for, and it's a what I want and more of it, yes. What the Jana what the tides? What the Jana walk I said, when you're missing cat, now 1 hour class on our dear. It's such a what practicing the authority. Some are here, Soleno. And that they are practicing authority. Some are here, Soleno. Many are Babinia Bema, Wabinia Ebenya Edimemu, and check Africa ma. Now what toss I say, I think Manu was sit down, I think Manu what to talk cars, no catcher was said. What come on church, no? What come mania from which I want? No, I catch us and the Barbara said. Me to share them with dear I was as he was so. Barbara said, me to share ye dear was as he was so. Yaja was so. I brought no question, no. What was that out your man? No. What was for now? What general? Why don't they shut them with dear was as he was so? Why don't they try not to say to cast? I can say I was as he was so. No, I can't say what shall dear was so. Out of what mama ye na ho. A service to God is a service to mankind. Matthew 25, yeah, yeah. Yeah, we have ever looked at chapter 10, verse number 25 to 37. Yeah, to share them with you was wrong. What do I hear them with you will be tight him? And now what cut tight him was something in theatre, and also for your blessed data. Now, I would hear Kafa obey. Say tight no Yakopon say. Whatever be your son fence, there shall be what I see with so. No, this one, idiot. When your son fence, or here, what dear. Kawadia was Sunday. When you are because I don't know what J. What you told the Padiaka see and one catch on the Pacose, or no, I had dear. Now I quoted scriptures I can see. Every Genesis now, I quoted Hebrew 7, Genesis 14, Matilda, and was Susan 4, and you 2 years to Christo, and never I could see her. Tactical crab will be a Padia dinty. As we have Bassett, Barbara Mlanimono, Sasa 4 new on my body, sir, and the other catcher, Miss Sir, Didianunya, Abandi, and Samarase. What did Galatia say, Bamame? Verse number 24, so the young woman, and I say, I yet did you know? Sana catcher and met Didiana Badia. After so catcher some fans I saw on you, Leviticus 19 and Tobacco on the dear, or never catch Israel for no, but at a baptized in a quadia, Uko Genesis 14. Sabata to want some quadia, and the Onyamia farmer is a for no. Naso so, say Abraham, and when Yacob was Sambra, and Mamosa, Abraham Bessam was it. Abraham or Bessam Ran was it. And then I will say, when you catch him, Sammy dear. Aye, a chum, but what you chum, we need before. Yes, she had a modia or so. Now, yes, so what a modia, so we are minipa. Is what a modia, I will be tight him. You are what a modia, Colasimu. Now, what is the cano yanny opera? We were them dear, I want Crawford contributions. Now, sorry, man, what to one dear. Who catches all her them dear or so? Mona Mamma Yamia ding. I saw 4 crown 4 my back. I saw 4 you 4 near po 4. I saw 4 Macan quite yes, I'm a free one. Name free Macomamu. Matter service number 7. Was it Crawford or man on the so me? That's what Macoma was it. And the son of for Ramtier. What can't quite yes, I'm asking a yabre. New betting your besenti. At the party I want printing. None of Crawford on your crusade. Sir, I want for class. And when you occupy 10 Ghana cities, 5 Ghana cities, 1 Ghana cities, you are paying and pull out Juma and pull out more 10 years and pull out more 15 years. And it's a car 1 Ghana city square, none magic. A dear Juman and Cronomie. You only see can buy and moji. Young Shane, young the book of Matthew 25. See that? I'm so hot. Can you check the window for me? Let's get some no, I don't need it. Get some handkerchief for me. One of my scarf for me. Matthew 25. Go get a scarf for me. Don't come here. Yeah, Matthew chapter 25, verse number 25 up to verse number 35 up to 40. Making 35. What's it? 35 na making. What's in that? Me chin in your crazy. I'm fanchemi. Oh, I don't know what kind of Christopher Wusu and no one what kind of. And then what can bet yea, we will fight them until we die. We will fight them until we put them to disgrace. What catch of Mr. Austin and them or dear was so? What now? I quote to the book of Matthew chapter 6, verse 19. Catch them, son of my say. So them or dear so. Who quote to Hebrew chapter 11, verse number 35. I tell only pass a cheer for no. A people die. Esreso ebi mo tete akom di binom ya tibir manwam eto ano so mfa manem wo ko to Romans chapter 8 verse number 35 said dia mereti me ni awrade do mo hi ana amane ana wo ko to Matthew chapter 5 say shane wo ma hiafo e shane one na we e shane one na pepe mu no wo ko to Luke chapter 6 say yes say mo pepe mu no mo se no mo besu aso wo je tight tight is to cat any pattern when I was all them what. Imagine amount of tight. But some men know also for a budget 10% of your work. Number 1 in the hot. Yanshe, Matthew 25:35. What's it? Na come there me. Na mo mama bribi me ni. Na su come there me. Mo mama nsuo ma nom. Me ye hogo. Na ma family an come fie. me da de ja na mo amfra me ntema me yare na mo ahweme me da fiase na mo ama me nchen ena nipa trene no ebuabu a ne se Erade da ben na yehunu wo se ekom de wo na ya ma wo aduane anase sukom de wo na ya ma wo ensuo anome afei da ben na yehunu se wo ye ohwo na ya mfa wan kofi anase wo da deja na ya mfra wontema afei da ben na yehunu se wo yare anase wo da fiase na ya ma wo nchen na ohine ose na ohine no ebeboa ase won se no kora me se mo se somo anyo ama munuanom enketo yi mu baako yi mu anyo ama me. A service to God is a service to my kind. A service to God is a service to my kind. Adie bi onyakopo ye wasase wo so say yesika say aduane say dan whatever God made, you know, 1 year for the betterness and not say for importance in the church of a man. And it's one yakopon who see can also the also the point and made my commerce of one, you know. On yakopo who see can in ho. On yami won't win my baby away. It says that we are selfish. The book I looked at says verse 35 downwards was about the man one more baby from one and for swapping the was so. But the man one man most of them someone one and dear papa no why what's Saria Pentecost saw them on Kwa now don't want to call. I said this aside them all Kwa now don't want to call. Praise I saw them all Kwa now don't want to call. And yet I am a new some me come on friend neck used to for motor. And yet I am a new said no Nessie why I am a new and I'm your service and I'm your church of Christ in yet your church Macquine, yet your church just say, practice to a church, never will say. A service to God is a service to mankind. Yes, what catch what I'm saying? Medal Sabia Mamma Hame, a comedy man mediane, Medal Fias Mamma Hame, Medal Jamas Matade, Media woman way was Yanona Waha, that Ben a young one out to Wa, let me be a farmer. Me are sorry, pa. We are sorry. To be a moon. Sassam some table no sanity. That bay and a baby to one. Yet me be a man. Now yes to blast the one was sad. Now yes to say one of sad. Now yes to catch a ten if one is sad. Send your one yamamunia mukumai bakuno. Man yamame. Was software catcher was someone or tight bastard. Was software or tight on what catcher says the canon. I will break you in a couple. So what they pass all damn ho. Let's what be yare, what be woo, a crabby upon the school for to fear her. My baby in the men that you need. My time will bro they bit to her. When ye bit to my tam ho, they cry what jano, they what jano, what did be a ra, what in the mabedi was so when you're missing to Fabra saw them ho. It's that so I make on the book to I friend say the 2014. Send a beer ready, I didn't dear Gia. It's a honor in the middle dear Gia. It's a Fabra ho. I call for a bunch of thieves, bunch of unrobbers, bunch of deceptive people, bunch of antichrist of war. Someone that running the idea, it's for the soda in the bra, for a yard bra, for a teddy and a bra, it's a man and a papa with him. What does all catch him so on, Kaji? Sir, and there was a war, when your Yadma was sorry with him. I want also when your Yadma. What when your Yadma, your men one of one, when your men and no soft one. First Corinthians chapter 8 so say wanyam bebre and you a rade no so bebre wa wo tie me na wo ni hunumu wo safo na onyame so bo nyame adwuma and it mantam wo mobro wo de bi no te wo no wo safo aka to say to so do no wo safo aka to say atade a wo de be nyakopon no e wo sa wo de ko ba bi onyakopon de dia dia and just obi kwa beti we fa so ayew na ma me ka sam fanchiro onyakopon ka kire is there for say Samo moto sware rura mochia no enyanka awo ene abisia aka ho woka de buko de 20 chapter 12 the 2026 verse 12 asemo onyakopo ka eno no na wasa wo wisia ho wo mantem wasa wo kurafo wo mantem asofo bi kura timi ka so mo church members say ai afi we die ye pese agigi sika ne ye ko yadoye wona be yadoye ma de be dia no mo be ye de kura ma mi video said your mama ya delete me videos better mo be ye die ma mi video now I will fight you until say you people you know yourself What to say you come outside and mention my name, say I am a witch. To say you will catch up a messenger, no. I will fight you with blood and teeth because more you hypocrites, more you thieves, more you armed robbers. You have turned yourself as evangelists. Wolves, I come for man. One more dad one say, one me are so for, one me are evangelists for, or me are here for. Now so ye dear. Or catcher will say when Yanko pon fee. Fabro nyami fee, for no nyami fee. Now so they can't come home. One no now so they can't come home no nyami fee. Now so na apronesi one was a way on nyami fee. I want no nyami fee no. O nyami fee any hene. Ya was a for what to study in the bro nyami fee. After near the command levy for and to vacuum myself for. Tasa levy for my wine. One me or somebody my four. It's a never me a the book of Ephesians chapter 4 verse 11. What did the 5 minister tell the Yama? And you have to tell with if mamma or somebody man. It's a war and net me no me Jesus Christ only just at the highest praise. The book of Hebrew chapter 8. It's a me no me idea or somebody my four. What I want to what back no I can't just say from the zone do not say you from quite a codanim and a codine I sorry. We are crum for papa for my back. Moya you four no Yakupon fight them da some pematem more pempenny no Yakupos matemono I let you tell Nasi. I let you tell Nasi 5 chapter 5. On Yabifia no I know what's at all. So Yakupos one fire yadiano. And to sorry don't come on your middle dear, it's who was on her. Most sorry I can't carry or Mosesino. And yan meba a bassis. Yeah, Satan is a liar. And then a sleepy papa. Sabe pese me bo nyame aduma. E wo sabe de kwa Sofie. Ni akasa Sofie ye wasore kankan no. School dam won na wakwaje no ya Sofie. Wadan no so dan na wasi no ya Sofie. And na park na wote so no ya Sofie. Baby apopo bo 30 years no ya Sofie. Mo ya kronfo papa mo ya yifo. Sa na onyakopo ka so nko ba bi odi ni bia. Kanino no nyakopon o kache Moses so woro munya den and o sentima dan no no for nyakopo apam adaka nisim awo those time the prophetic time and na moziaka time no onyame se munya tema dan mo for apam adaka nisim na na yeshe the book of Ezekiel chapter 35 aye fani onyankopon tema dan no na he fani onyankopon pada apam adaka nesie ye je wasa me de mema ye de ako onyame fie na wahire fa onyame fie wahire fa akronfo adufo asafo a service to God is a service to my kind onyame fo sika nya hye ebiso akọ baabi na wo pe ba wo pa yaresa wo pe nsra no asafo bi ka cha wo se I was so a seed no nyakopon fa so bia wakwama wa ka cha asafo ne se mate me so a seed no na ba bia meduru bia me so ba ka cha so da bi I was so no aya no asafo kura wa ye. Anything was said. The Torah chapter 14 no be down. So Yakupon catch Israel for say. What would want you to so to do? One man for the body I qua. One man for maybe on Yakupon dear gia. Eti no be catch yourself. Or no na so the can mu hon. Na so no the bros ne cement yes you know. Na so di nwia. Yes you to tie say go on. Obeche o say ho. Ene onyame fie. Sa no be catch now. It's not so Yakopo si enfan em na dokoda maraka no akoto ama bam adokoda so your storehouse and okra free ho si am nyame say na bi odi di adua eti wono no opa tese na asoro ho no ono nyame di di adua na so ya tell book of Revelation 21 verse 3 o se betentiamu free osoro metentiamu bi se free osoro le baso Yakopo so na so dai e wo nipa mu ba bi Yakopo di adua Hebrew chapter 10 o se me ne ba pa fo nya poma me no ma jan mo yeye so o mo nem salam cho me mra gu oboda so ma ho mo na papa me no mo ba ye de me cho me mra magu makoma mu e no Yakopo pa da ka no esumu e de ma me papa so nyame adwuma bi ya sabo wo nyame adwuma bi ya fama wunyia Fabua unia. Sa wunnim na de sa unia ho. Sa wo de koma safo ena masafo mo hye wo mo. Wo safo be na wo mobo se wa wote wei. Safo be se de obema odifo eyi efe se nsokuru anom no. Ono sokuru an na wo de onya odifo ni bi. Wo wonya odifo ni bi. Ya che the book of 1 Corinthians chapter 12 verse 7. Wo se adeba chere yin wo de obi biara na eye. Wo de wo so ya chefo a. Wo so wonya ofoforo. No so ya asabakania. Wo so wonya ofoforo. Aya ma woni na ho. Na woni nhire bia wo Nyankopon book of remembrance no woni nhire bia o. It has a do what a card Nyankopon na do woni ano woni mu ye wo do osafo wa na futom na original ho. Ko he ne bank account no especially me say minim crofobia. One mo tin so de kura vie menu mayo. Ebi no deep cars mpefra. Ebi no deep cars no ebi no kura ni taku ne sempoa. Ebi no deep efe na ebi no seed na akese. No catch you look at our catch your Matthew chapter 6:19 say we what them dey wasoro. No catch 2 Corinthians chapter 5 verse 1 say ai oju asase to madagu a o da bi wasoro afo nipa nsaje ho de Onyankopon be ma wo da papa tenem. No no wono catch us for title sika no so atichemu du na fa hu ba akobere no na nipa be se 20 le wo aso dem a wono kwa wote wono woje obi ade edum nchemu ba ko kwalase mai atade mai to so ru mai anema wodo nyina mai wono ko aje okoka wase onyame fie na fabra na so wonnim se wonia no onyame fie wonnim se wonia na wo sa no ho ade sika de kwato kwarase no wa sika kakakare kwase ekwaye niam mu nipa hunu no ya ka Galatia chapter 3 verse 13 Galatia 1:13 wase woni de nyese woni pa be hunu no ene ti na wo ye ne wo ye no ana o ka sempa no na emomu se ne Kristo Yesu cha no wo hye woni mu Kristo ni banza wo woni ma de friend Kristo som woni ma de friend nyamesom banza fo woni ma de friend nyamesom mama oni pedi bre e woni ne kala mu esasa mayira esasa mo ne fura no kula da ho mo batra ton kontompo mayira wo ka che me se wo de obo nyame adwuma pa ai wo ba ya sori a me de me bo afi bia sori wo me make sure se de onyame bo me nya na fini mu nyina no me de me bo nyame adwuma mitimi yi sika ne de aboa ensori edosin wo yare ensori be ya ensori dia na oboa wo boa ensori no nipa de saye no ensori no nipa de saye no na oboa na sori no Nyankopon ya de omoa asori no Nyankopon se no mu no che omoa minya ba ma wa yira so your suffer so na wutie me minya evangelist a wutie me sheye na Timothy tell na se na ba obe wa de so ba na nkwa bone so aka nkwa je se ma ayi nkrofo ho esika fa na sheye no Timothy tell na se na ba eti Yesu ka kire won me se me da le sabia be hwe me eno obetia so dem ebisi wo krom ya manini men kasa obi anini the time am tie na too late the time obi friend me catch say mama ye hia mo mo apa na brother bi owu me tie ya me 2 days pepepe no nipa no wuye it was too late na die si ye no nipa ko Pentecost ma bomudin e wo krom ya Manchester bonte ha so ana nipa wa ko asori na ndwe bebre ya bandi ko ti bi bobi ni adade eti we no yare ye ana ni ko to hospital na ekrom ya so ya de na yekasi a am say na something like diabetes and say diabetic na ekrom ya so what o yare na yekasi a e honom no enkrata sem bebem eti ya de na yekasi sa nti no e mo no ka say on krata what sign consent form me adade in case obewu a ti oni krata ana onom asori manso na de ko to because ni family bia wa ha na busua nyina ofie ene ti na ode no ho abedon Yesu Kristo busua se kadachi bi beto no a na ka Yesu busua na timi agina ma no enti akoi doctors from nurse for the free asole man o mo de ne beto ho no no mo ka che se de aduru no I was so mo discharging because of the documents ene ti do me say wo mo discharge no but on mo fa de mra as o mo no outpatient to mo fa de mra often and asore man no efre sofo na asore man na ha dan ti asade yo service to God is a service to my God asade mo kwa ne no mama money na it's as a boy my dear some better I saw them one my boy and your won't see me maybe I say I am a deal I bring me car babla coach biano I am a raho et you walk Anna one flow most of one cassa sorry now ha dying a massafono at top petrol a massafono one man has 4 bedrooms na massafono so for the ma London will be one of some Manchester or bonus and Prana Mecano Nema London on me going at school London it is somebody first of the say also for since any passment yadi and we are send the doctors na catches the yen Murphy and the says one year juma why so it was also sorry but it is sorry I have 4 bedrooms amount kia yamani better one time na sano I saw this channel no so for your chanaka you turn the petrol you turn the aka or no to Chromia or your juma and so far so there be na the macras or more besrano ne man class or more bantino ne man ba if you munti me we are making so most of wobi wakwa ye adultery wakwa just a jamabo ono so man ha 3 bedrooms na mano ama so na suspended no it just na je bibi bia na sorry man no efinisem and na sorry man say so for akasa dia na yo and asore ba no a osofo na ono so kobo dwama na suspended no ya ne da 3 bedrooms da no ya fa ne metrem na ya kohwe no osofo say just say wonya go ahead from head office was say just say wonya go ahead from head office bring the hospital 2 months wo mo abandon no asofo na wo mo na makohwe no me no na kasa onya ba me na wo na kasa onya ba ma nkwaje wo hia na ja self say profit collection ne tight ma wo de enti na wo tia mu kasa sakawa de enti wo wie ono mo shema nya ba ma iwi Ekromia Manchester a Pentecost. Our chorten. Womo shemo unya be me wi. Wo wo ya dia suddenly ye na ye kosie no. Onya be ma wotsina, onya busia okromi ha. Oba yo free say be e service man, or ye service place ma no. So obeti mi anya say obey save no. So wo de no ho be don Kristo ebusie kuo. Onyeni won masoma ya bia ba wo sofo a asori ha da ma wo asori chia wo da ka asori chia wo ka mane metre obi o se da bi ne meba afe da ba ko so asori na chia ka 3 bedrooms a o sofo ko bo jaman mane ko tere mu so say just wonya go ahead from head office and my brother down at the hospital wo we as sofo da so church one mo sofo da so ja one manim church one software that you ho apro omunim de esi ye nyina software that you don manim eni pa that you tia so da we no Jesus and the software jo manim church na won so ya software e ko tu babro ye that you tia tat manom ye that so man offering ye that you tia ne ka atade a wode fa nten fathers and mothers appreciation won na yire kwa na fa the cinema de so atoro menya ba menya ma she mania bre asam no ka no ye neti enie isam say ya kwani nam so ya nse yi woni pa bie no benya nkwa why what you say wo so nyame ana wotimi san onua ho wotimi say wo bi sabe de minimum no he minimum na be da na sabi sikam de kwa so de obi a minimum na de woti ebre bi Nigeria 4 year ayi bi wo ba bi achichi sika wo de kotua tight oju wa papa ko credit ono so o ma me sika kakra na me fanto dwane ni hey devil if my house has sent you go and tell them that didn't get me today odi papa yatam papa me so wo ko no say don't come here again na odi di papa yatam because ye nya me dwuma na ya no ye no adano ni pa de sesinim wo ka the book of Acts chapter 17:45 Solomon say egudie dan yo egudie dadi ma onyakopon no so onyakopon kra wan trasa Solomon dan o si ma ne mo na da ben na ubeti bi ase mo onyakopon abo onyame asini dan onyame asini dan the book of Revelation 23 verse 21 verse 3 so onyame dan no ene woni pemu 1 Corinthians 3:15-16 aso dia wo so onyame aso fie no wo so onyame fie ni ba bi a wo te no Pentecost aso dem wo so onyame fie no ene assembly sa wo te Church of Christ a wo te e de kasa bu onyame adwuma a ho na wo boa no wayira woni nkwa mini aba esase se papa ya for mo so nyakobo de dia enipa nche ye ne be gina so abu nipa be aten and just my maker. And the papa would din at Tama would dip upon at them. I will done the need, not that would be a friend, or so rush or them. What done the Yagas, hey, my friend, how are you now? What done in the was hard done in the Nibu. Not papa or Juana, woman's car, Crampanton, Siono, or so the coachia titan, papa not done above or Crantabai, and the order for motion, so upon a chona, God who have mercy upon me. Sunday, there be a Bessie who woman Crantabano, and almost say an idea on them. Genesis chapter 18. Genesis 18, Abraham. Why you above father? You know him from me above food. He never knew. The kind of service to God is a service to mankind. Abraham. Now one never saw me on your above and mamma near Salabaye. And Abraham do want to go fear. And Abraham man you sell a top and the offer a brother cool woman. And what the again of the on the year. So mighty neighbor. The book was 2 chapter 4. No one will Elijah baby. Elijah Chomo man, but no man Gianetti. Was I in the cook as a man baby na? And on man baby da. A service to God is a service to my kind. Son of Bay won't walk. 1 year, Papa na boy will nimpo. Or deep was a dear napper a man. Now, was a papa only back. What's your first semebano or bano? A service to God is a service to mankind. Or ban why am Monipo Elijah. Why am I nipa? San for a boy, Manchester was all this car saw them, baby, on your middle of the idea. I found on your middle of the idea. I didn't know your middle of the idea. When your middle of the a powerful fraud, one fancy to Madame Hobio. And you said to Madame Hobio, Nemo only Pemu, and you only Pemu in the book of Hebrew chapter 10. What's that, young? Car Barbara, one conference of Barbara's home. Wouldn't my dear friend uncle wouldn't him conquer so ha never was senator church and a sacrawagon. None my dear friend uncle and Kawunya what be so when you near Juma. I was I saw them home. I saw the eye and I did. I saw them home. Yes, sorry them home. One friend was sorry at them. What friend was sorry at them? I want you sorry at them or sorry at them. We need a year crown. Romans chapter 12, verse 1 and 2. What sorry I'll catch them so sorry yame. A bit of crazy because I want quite sorry them one. Wouldn't young quack. Naka Kase in Shiamu beer. Catch them say was see a kiss of food the Timmy a share when ye a say a ding. Now catch us man quas or them in young quack. A dear Coronia Robin, no. I have baby I'm more members to increase your productivity, business mindset. Now me ya baby yama. Ye shares enough for knee baby. Onyako papa na just be pe Elijah kuno Elijah open the kuno Zelafat ni ba no 1 Samuel chapter 17 first case 17 okwo oba ni say aka na dua ne kakra bi one be di ewu wose fa oje na wo di be di ewu no fama me na mimini osi na wo me de wose fama na mimini na oba dade ma no so am papa no na so hwede onyako pon ye Zelafat ni ba a service to God. It's a service to mankind. Lut. The book of Genesis chapter 19. Lut. Above one about you. Now look to him something above four. When him say corner of Tim the moon yet. When him say corner of ya a does who come on say our war. It is a 1 4 mum baby and now. A crumble man crown on the for one. On the name something above four. Now loot a service to God as a service to mankind. Or for one corn fee. And no one loot to the young one. Who catch him say service to God, no? Who catch him say some panel? Who catch him say so much say? I was so no tight to class on the review ya made in the dia. When I did dia wan. Was so for Ben was say a durable summit. I'm a quite account I'm about for that. Was so for Ben was so nyame so about for Michael, so for Gebra, about for Gebra. What's my Raffia? What's my archangels in the Mobia? Some cost of what was said. Missy Canada what one, quite a brand supposed to be doing ya. Walk cassette. Onyamisika obi akosta na nfufure no so onyamisika onyakopo the sky head onyakopo to for the sky they got chapter 2 was carry data onyabedea e ti na go prayer na ti o se do for the fam ni nya ro the fam onyakopo o ka cha me say onyame adwuma ne se wo se wo de kwa asare dem obetimi kasa na me de nyame adwuma na me fa ni agro me tight de o kan na no de ana me de tight ne de me de onyame ye ma minti ebie ma akwa ma minti me de boso me na me de kwa me chim na me koma so phone wo chem de koma so phone wa bu obusuafo wie 1 Timothy chapter 5 verse 8 o so obi e wontimi hwe ne vie fo no ne wonyi nimpo ne so won fa so se no wa bu obusuafo na wie wo suit ne so ho no ekoma emrate ndigo no abo ma wie na wa pejade akoma sofo ye onu si nkwanche wa hode ye adwuma wa hode ye adwuma enkora na mote manta mugina kwa nto nsuo no wa wonim nkoro moto manta nkwa o ma me ehia wo no pa wonim bi wo bu hie ma bi ti ho onye sika kwa amfa e ma ne ba to nya ni me fe ni agro ye sofo kra de da bi o ka wo de me champoa wo do champoa na wonim se sebi de nya de fi no de fe no wonu se wo ye fu or the fed no what the abada bia no bompa ya kroje go so empa mu de na ye adwuma onyam wo sra no sra odade o Jeremiah 29 verse 11 o se mini madwene kura madwena fa ho mini madwene kura mi asafo rade madwena fa ho onyakopo ni madwena adwena fa obi ho Jeremiah 1:5 o se abrepa onyenye moja tono na mini mudada sam de we odifo eti so onyam ye sra odada no sra wo wobu onyame bo ne se wonya sika e wo se obi na wo ma sika na bo sa wo ni pakro no Bible catch sika say chapter 11 o se ka fu metre du ba ku je ba ko o se to abo do gu so na la to za beka wo de otugu wo sofo obotom nipa ba ko fo mfie du a wo tena ne na ase hwetu so du a wo chiama no wa fa pen na kakunati kolesia wa to ma nipa ba ko pa wo gina ho nipa ba ko pa wo gina wo de won ko akakroti wo de e kura sare obakakroti enipa di asore enipa ti asore mu dada o mo ba beka ho wa akakroti se nipa ba ko pa ya na jiska we nyina a service to God na no tough one. I see that you all right. Get one of my drink upstairs for me. Maybe about the good Samaritan, they will go look chapter 10. They come and they will call Luke chapter 10. Yes, what you know? What I said, you want Yama who Yamu Kubaba Kuanyama, me. A service to God, no? Yanya Mau say, Biame, suffer one of your suffer. Mamma, when him suffer on. Who is a pastor? You can't suffer about company, oh no, when Jesus Christ. Now, you know, you're so much for. It's where the book of 1 Peter chapter 2 verse 9 or said no cray etches of whopper, whom is that for. Now, a friend no me, say, I hear some for my concono, or Yakopana Casama or Petasi. Now, when Yakopana Petasi or Petasi, what the iron are so funny and matter for the to go. I don't know that catch you with the book of Ephesians chapter 5, Ephesians 4:11. What's what the media for? It will be as a 4 from the pastor. What the church for also come? What the media as a back for this come? What the media for almost come? What be what did you never put your man? Now, so what to sell or so much men in the amount therefore. What to hope? What one of Kuna so a pastor as a door evangelist and in a ministry gifts. Woman, near Moye. Wouldn't the Moye on out of 4? I dear may catch up on anything, eh? Young idea. None in your bad matter one accommodant. Now, Ababa wear for 5 million. No, for 10 million, 15 million. A brat, Nini equal on Yajuma. Never Crassabi, Wabre, never bought for 15 million. Or see, I'm the coba for the Yakopo. What about when Yakopo the hen? What's up for no now? Or your Yamio? The book of John chapter 8, verse number 32 was here, dear do so and Nunyame. Was up for no down, one no name with Yameno. Nanyo Yakopo to us, Rono. One day I say a service to God as a service to my kind. On Yami, yes, you can have one for Tatare. One for Sampabua. It's just somebody excuse to carry the book of 1 John chapter 3, verse number 17. My main can't know. And Sakrani about Matthew chapter 6, a friend saying, what ya? Massum Yami ye Malcra. Na and Shakwani ever first or bet me and Quadia. Natural when home. Menem Quaphobia Mapping and Yadman Fiamiano Mayo was supposed to see what them dear was so. Baby and cannot be bought him in Corino. Walk to Matthew chapter 6, verse number 19. Was it was to a demo dear was so, but only the old question what the attack at what touch and what you see that would be a car. What be Tom Tare Passer the Renema was always what there was so. No, go to Malacatre said, Mofan so not the Modium Yaku Passer and Arocodan, Najani and Pony and Fieda. What was all of them was that? More money free to do me the best would. wakwa sorry dam ho ama biare si wo firi mu akote biare da ana body si wo firi mu akobi pa bia mfie da wakwa sorry dam ma mu si wo ama wasabi amuko kodu so no na no ko da adi afida adi Christmas ni ya no aduane wa so dem to so do na Christmas no ni ya do no aduane ma odi bi se aduane ampo nyame fie da se no na ya de bo nyame adwuma eno na ya de bi twi asofo ka wonnim ya wo kekaka wonnim sofo ya sha de bi First John chapter 3 ya asema Yesu kan verse 17. See that? I don't feel comfortable. Me kind First John chapter 3 verse 17. Me ba che me twi ni nya etia na ma o kakra mo so mo fa Bible no. Se me kan say enkoyi ya no hu se ne wo. Was 17 me ken kan nya me asem. Was say na de owo awiase asetre ade na wo hunu ni nua se no hunu ni nua se ehia no na ommo no obo na yemonwono no onyankopon do enti ne mu esen wose obi a wo honam ahia de obi onyame ama na yeye obi a wo nyame esra no na wo honam ahia de na opani nya yemonwono no na opani nya tibode no na opani nya sedi nya ne de nya no be cha no aso onyankopon do enti mu enti obenya nkwa onyame no enti mu First John say the unknown no onyankopon na won na na ja ne bonsam so onyankopon do enti mu de so bonsam ba obi a wo nya honam ahia de na wo wontimi mwa wo nua no na wo ntimi fama wo nua no na ka cha so do kopo onyankopon na ewa hene. This is what it breaks my heart. Why are you going to help the work of God? I hear I saw them all. Matter is about Obekone ya chichi express see e so ni ye shekore she eba obekone e na kura bobodi sister Lucy o ta tetere ma tiri umechi ayo brother yi what the car welfare what the car na ye dey say there edu kore she obi abedina offering time please allow we mo sorry e offering time to bi kwaso obo ne de namu akromfo mo tactics e di wie nyankopon pa mo aro say malaka no o ka tu na ata to ka e wase me ni asofo na nya esansa membra no boso wadane matem sam no afedi onu atofo ne no omanya no train no yan kanto aso na be nipa no omode kwa et Yesu Christ say service to God as a service to mankind wo si we onyame fa osika na nya he onyame wodu sika yere you atofo se for wo sika no quote proverbs say ane for ahonya de bu onyankopon adwuma onyame adwuma na no wan ade yo nyame adwuma ma me kiraw emmo akro mo na mo nyame adwuma emmoa yo mo na mo nyame adwuma enwia no mo si wo no o mo nyame adwuma sabu man tam go tan da ho na ebo kan amakwala la tiasi mafra so no nyame adwuma se ka wo de sika ni bi ekopɛ nkrofo ma betim na kan kra no nya hoden edua na ka sori a na ka ogudua no ase nyame adwuma Onyankopon Genesis chapter 2 aboro bo ade nyina wie no onse wanto nsuo that no nipa ne ho yo obehwe so ama no onyame adwuma de ene nipa onyame adwuma ne nipa esa so onyame abo bi so ohia ni when the book of Luke chapter 17 abra mere de hwam koko Yesu na ase na asuafo ba koko ase na we de ka me ton kora maka wo se e de bu ahiafo Yesu se ahiafo do bo mu nche da Onyankopon abo bi so ohia ni wonyame aboso yodefo eto onyankopon se wa prase wa wonyame mu no ene tu e 1 ete we dem ko First Corinthians chapter 12 for sin pedua kwa ne ye pedua ba ko pre and that me catch so say here and it me catch na say here is asa kwa ne ba ko eto whatever you call yourself so you must say whatever we are all here so we have to help each other mesa de besi ko sao omutimi report me video nansi an mani aba mo so mo report me video na wonyame be twa omachi manya amane omo hu no kro mo nya hu nwie me pa che yakwaso me sa ka de 17 wo bo nyame adwuma na obi ano den na wonu kaka o de be to duane adi no dia ya no it breaks my heart menim krofo bi ese bi wonu ma to atode mfie mienu kra ma onu mu di ka ba fra fie ni sase ono catch us say so wode mo die wo soro wunua ho kire no hwe wo bohiem ho wo de to wode cha bohiem ho to wode cha bohiem ho ka Bible ni e wate ka Bible ni e na Exodus chapter 8 ko Onyankopon ka che Moses say Israel be na do wo se no on be ka won makoma no onyame fo so ni pa wo onyame fo so ni pa Bebonya na ai moti asore dem mummo nyame adwuma ase chia lai be obi asel se kwaje asore wo ho so ya men kwaje because Onyankopon ma yem obi a chapter 2 me wi ameka kire wo me kan the book of 1 John chapter 3 verse 17 a service to God mean yara for my way cha wadimo the very Hebrew chapter 13 verse 16 or say papa ye ma ye nyada and no see for the boy so Onyankopon ni me aba o pese wunya unyame mu nchira seyi ene kwane ofa so eye pasia ewo ayi e fancy giving mu what the Pentecost na nyame adwuma me dey free best 20 years am be nyame mu no ane me kase nyame ani mu nyam me dey me di no kra me radio me dey me nto so dudu no bo so me bia me di no kra me radio wo di no kra me radio wa na ade ma no papa na ogina ho na ono na ade ma no osofo ne yere che wo atitrem se ne aye fresh afa wonu mo abian kom no wonu mo abian kom no wo mo kokom se ye boa nkrofo bebere da bia ka ye boa nkrofo na church ye je no e bi ne ye de boa nkrofo eso osofo wonu mo eboa nipa no kra no kan o di asofo 50 na wa 2 pe 2 ana ya doye na so wonu mo de dawo ma no se ne be convince wo de tena ho na nya nkwaje ho adwuma wo so wo bucket na si wo no emu empty na wo de baba na mo no de ado ya do mfanye wo de be ma no amo no wo de aye Onyankopon adwuma se wo bo ne nwia wo de mfanye wo de wo ya sabi nya ono de ogin hira wo de wo bucket na si wo mo empty wo kwa ha bia na Onyame ado afa be si wani wo si ya de papa bia wo ye e wo nhira kuru wanyim ho na ado mu wo se wo mede ma we wo se wo kwasia kode atwire nim mayan shey 17 what in that your wiase asetremu ade na wo no ni niase ehia wo hu no ni niase ehia no no obo na yemono no Onyankopon do enti ni mu Onyankopon do enti ni mu sen wotimi ka kire me so ko enyame adwuma sister wo sister mu Sunday okọ enyame adwuma wo pre ne ho ato nyamnyum nya no pa ajeji asiamako mama ne se de besi aye ofie ene se de besi aye asie de heavy gate asoa no no attempt me person no na de hwe pastor appreciation day o na de o say timi nyame ni pa de o hia na nyame hia na de ahyem no de ka okwa mama ne session na anka no kra osu obi ameto obi mama good morning afia mama no I this anope kra nka kra bi anto ba kumpo ene nkra de ebedie mama na me ka sori abo and e baba for de ntia o se me ye ne ntia na me kro o se ne nyame fa kwa afia nwa ye fe de mama me da se nyame hira na ko na yeyi no be person no escape of ashawa everybody that's a bompa ye guso everybody sika ya mi ye wo twime everybody hwe sika su ne sane na fa bie ni hye mo apona me wo obeye obonyina akopeso nyame beba wo beyo bonyina ko wo se ya motabu sapa sa denti na mebre na me bompa iche Nyankopon ya na Nyankopon nyima no onyame pa ebo no anano na pressure e ka asemi onyame pa ebo Revelation chapter 5 Revelation chapter 8 ya wa abofo no sare tempa ebo no ansa ne ediade hwamagum na ko Nyankopon chen ti umpa ebo no ti ye de Nyankopon kan Cornelius ayi chapter 10 Cornelius o ti ni ade a wo ye no wasi no oyo ni patin no ye adoye wo yo bi oye adoye wasi wade a wo ye no ti ni ade a wo ye no wade pa wo ye no je Onyankopon na ye nka yo Onyame anim to Onyame atie o Bible wo de wo si wo ti ni ade no wo pastor ye frum ho ne ye frum ne bank account so ne free ho ona ba ya gu wo si asoda fofu we mu se mo ye Nyame adwuma ubekoni ya washa pemna so 40 ahingwam no agege ada so no ati no awso no na beti no aya that's all Nyame nipa na ho na ye bonsam nipa why na wo free so ye bonsam nipa wo dey position now heaven ye no Onyankopon boy ku as man who will give an account one day to come Revelation 20:11 was saying me who say who focus and get to the one kasa me na safo ne busa no da before evangelist na hefo so me keka what dey me hwe ye hwe no kura ho na wo wonim se ne ye kontokwa wonim se ne omusi ne ye ko a wonim se ne omusi attack ye ne a wonim se ne ye to ne bia wo ye mo ba betimi di watamu a ke kasa ka beti obi kura timi shada won program bi so no o timi shada ko npa ko program say and that o ma we mba o program so bi o ma ne ba kura nko for he because of the kura be kan ti en kura di pa chire mu ni abeka say me sofo chi ya me ni sofo me ba bia se me ma me ye sofo kura me ma me enyo bo do kura me kura ni chire me ma me ye nyam djuma over 42 years me kura ni chire mu me ma me wo me 1 year no sha se nyam adjuma me kura ni chire me ma me chire 42 years ni I'm 41 me kura ma me chire ni kura Kristo chire me ma me kura to biam de nyam ya se bi chi na nim me ma me WhatsApp groups me ma me come unify so because we are not here to joke, we are here to seek our salvation. Won wa sire o won ma mane ya hu won ma tafo ya wo won mu nipa empa no kura pese ya no kura no ma won mu a o mutim kura kasa ne wo kasa aboso because of the no kura ma no so kasa aboso. Hey, see that o jump here no it will let this thing fall. Na so ya de yen so na de ho ba ye so ya kete because enim no kura ye. What ba me so physical onyame ne bekomafo what ba me so spiritual onyame ne bekomafo esa se minim se na ye kon na ye ka no kura kire wa hwe me videos every last 2 years the videos nipa me to me fa nyomo nsa me videos me pem ho asemti I just say be offer asomani and na say a Professor Abraham no e na me bo on nyom me mpe problem as still la me videos no me nim kwakore fa so na ye ai it's a parrot why it me share me video I just a group bi me yan ma share ko group bi a me am hu se group bi de me won bi na me share ko na me hu se won pa no kura na yakam ho asema che oh won ma did it too me kwankwaje na ho na me nya ba mo ni na o me nya ba ma ayawra wo sam so oni papa ti asase wo esu na sabi ne kwa na wo westi ne sa e wo sem hunu ne zamfo ai me pira za ba ami ewe ba tra ho yo tiko no tayi na fasi wo o ka sa na be che so nyame ni mu ana wo sre I always says I like my do Ghana evangelist Odu evangelist Odu is one of the evangelist for I always say may God bless him to have a long life. That evangelist, I say God bless this evangelist Odro, who is honest evangelist, who is a collect man. Bless him to have abundance of life. I say Obama me video. What the heat is too much. By the grace, if God bless Joseph, we have a time we preach that. God have blessed Joseph. This is your time. I don't have that time. Na me ame penyamin share ni bi. Mimi abema mimi aba. Onyankopon se, won mo nya honam ahiade, ahonam asede, ahonam ajapade. No no ma mo boye mo nwono, mo nya no ahia ono. O mo boye mo nwono. Onyame don ti wo mo. Na wa ye shema chef coat, na coaching, na the tie, no abone suit. Ni a pastor pastor na Eli a friend pastor ono so onye pastor ono kro sakra emponi a friend pastor so that jai na okọ na the shoe not as boy auto ne ko obama shoe ebo auto ne fancy travel na bali me ya apart atichi sika bum you know the sena ha na sen ne bototo okwa collection beto no esese bi ne ma mebusa ase kwame wonim mesre wala wo sika wo ho a wo ma me bi na me mfa entua meke wo sese o ma me niska wo ho o se ju Sunday wedi ana me niska ma ne ya next week nya me ya adoma me call market bara me ya ba this time me niska me call asare ma me oh kojo ne je sika na oh ma me na sika wo mu dia me dia to wo se me de kwa nya me aduma wo ma me ko ka Mark chapter 7 verse 13 was it for a sea for you to any flat from a catcher of his study when you're from the fee. Sassing a minute, Salman, now so never my minute papa say no, yet Nacopa Mira, Nemina Mobuso, someone is so down on an uncle as situation. Now I can't see at all. I'm not maybe quite bad, man, how they may be kind of my what they call a big cow, their brown mammy. Say, I only say, as I see what they are. Say student learning, you know. On say university learning, you know. On say, yes, alone, my dear. And you were body, and you're my bow for. To call near beside you know when you're back on you. Hey! And to what your pan, I did your Rosano. Papa! My answer be good, look chapter 10, verse 25. Pablo, you're I know when you're media. I know you make a tell before say. I know you go pocket in on say. I know you make a raise in a phone say. And Malabe baby, tight and guanamoko. Why is he canty? And the brebedia? And the brebedia? And the brebedia? Who call you more bands of Ematari? 18 men shall pass out me and fair for dim you know, and Momu and ya. No one jamo, no way back out business in the park. Young Matthew and I can look 10. Matthew 25. Luke 10:25. What's in the way? Mrechi, I say, Mlatroni be a solid dinner hostel. No hair say, or church. May I deny down qua? Wakajan say, a dear, no only ed or say a dear. And I watch your random. Okay, no, okay, walking kind of saying, no, Obua say, for a commanina, no cranina, no one ding. And you know what being na I do rather young couple. Never young co a song. Now I say and say, what 1 year? Your ye now been and quan. Now, what 1 year or person will put no ebim, no catch there, yes to say. Now, why net me young con? Now, yes to tear you. What's in the one of a young con? I'm not trying to know. No, sorry, yeah. And no, say yes to kiss and made them in your danqua. And I used to catch and say, why the first one now I saw Bado Radunya? Who we are not about your Cosa. One is a service to God, is a service to my kind. So I have some souvenir. So I find to say, Cremo souvenir, whatever on the Panayano, Matthew chapter 5, verse 15, was some mom coming at you, depending on so. What would you want to point at some wood and fair? Love your neighbor as yourself. One can't just love Christians as yourself. One can't just say, no go to second quarter chapter say, said Jen is simply highway. And what will be so? It's simply high about him. At the end of your didn't in your way. And no, it's about you. And quite yet my way. There's not about what God commanded you to do. On your papa, no tone, you got a boy for nothing for no battle. And was a walk, though young Cosa. I don't know who says a one in the uncle, I tell you, and I was up for evangelist for no matter who besides Facebook on the son. I had to remember to preach and pass me for a woman. That's one friend of Colonel Quarter, another day. Sir, 2 Corinthians, I never said a camophone pass, woman in corner what thing. So walk when you apostle why, or to love your enemy that like thyself. I would have book of Matthew 5 and after look chapter 6. Also, don't time from Donald. The also say yes, a woman in this one back. He said, love them. Now, no, Matthew chapter 6 was so much when you mapa. No, the area of what you also. My aunt was. Ave was a now one of a young con. Now, yes, to us so. Now, yes, to Tiano, and no say. Would it pay free restaurants and a call Erico? No, or talk from Cafuobi. No pano, a one antimabo born. A jano, a hawkcoin. Our fat one for Napasso. No, no, I say. Na a bassa was off will be Arisane, no wako. Na so and a living Nibia or bar or say in the living or bar. Honum, Ebe no, or San and hawkcoin. Na Samalia Nibia or Nam ne quine a bad dia. Na okon and change actually new chrono de no call or the new chrono de wo nensa gugu emu no the next now on wara nabwa I don't know echo ahodi I don't know kwa ahodam kwa share na adechi ya no oyi dala mienu de ema ahodan no mu panini no na okakire no se hwe no na bibi biara ebe obafere aka ho no mesa ne maba hye na nemu afi won ba asɛn mu hwan ɛna osua sɛ wɔyɛ die a ɔkɔtɔ kwamkwamu no yɔnko wasafere mekan wasi na ɔsɛ die a wɔhunu no ɛmɔboro no ɛna Yesu se wɔn sɛ kɔ wasi Yesu se ne sɛ kɔ na wɔn so kɔyɛ sala madame bonya me adwuma wɔ me sɔfo botom madame chiata te Pentecost asadam madame ai me send me life sitie no kanfo no ho me send me life sitie no me sɔre no papa me kɔ prapra so dem na me siesia so dem ho me penya me mu hra me nya me onipa ɛyɛ prapra ma me aso dem ma me abrewa no so fie ho no ɛyɛ abɔ mɔde prapra ne dem ho ne ntasuo na abrewa ne tete no ɛyɛ pepa wo nyira ama no so nyame aso da ne abrewa no etu wase paase ni busa ne wane me yonko o sorry a wose sumi ne he ya wode ye Samaritan the good Samaritan o to gidi no obi asabi Samaria ni o obi akama ka so ormo ne ebu o so ya boyefo wo sofo elebini wo sofo a oye no ase ni elebini a wono yo so majuma obi nyina atwa no koi o se na obi a ono de asabi ka yensusu ne mpo ekoto no fa no o tisi ne kuro ne ngosra ne kwale he o ka kire won se mo hwe won ka bia webo bia mesa baba bichia na ho na mususu yi so ai ne yonko o se di ohun ne mabo no wo so huro di mabo na onyankopɔ hu se wa do no awrade no wa do yonko so ho what do yonko so ho what ase ye do yonko so ho na wo sade a wo di akekere wo hwene no wani wafu tesa wonko na wonim ka ana Bible say do yonko so ho wo wura fi se do yonko so ho no Yesu Kristo kire mu ana I would the book of Luke chapter 10 verse 25 to 37 Yesu kire mu sa do yonko so ho no kire obi a wonim no do yonko so ho no so obehu wo be wa kasa behu se ne ya bibi ya oyi a wo so benya tema mo obi se sa na oni pa koniko me I remember some time ago se ne me ma me si di hia faaye se ne na me ma no ho si kire no etetre pa kwam baye etetu kwam na etetre na nya sem kuma ti se me kai pa na mu oba ta bia wo sata na papa aban papa ye military police wo jabe ma me ho ana aka ye na me kai na me hu obi otesa I don't know I just say kwa bia me fa so me buo ni pane bia kwa bia wo se me fa so wo nyame ahode me fa so ma boa no one kasa tenase calculate who say 15 years of your Christian journey Edi pa na wayama mobruhu ni bi edi pa na wayama hoho bi edi pa na wayama oyalefo bi edi pa na wayama obusiafo edi pa na wayama amantamfo edi pa na so benya edi pa wayama wasore ma won so your friend ya sore ma e ye won sore ma nya Awurade sore ma because o ya de se won ni munyam ho ni nya ba mi nya ba ma onyame atemu no efa angle ni nyina all the angle to anamo ye so fi so penkwaje dia obi ka ti o se fa wo bibi a opesa wo de adoye afa bra sore na fa bra sofo no sofo nkwa efa adoye no Awurade Nyankopon na wa koyi a na bia wo manam so asel na ya nam so ayesei woni de o special tie nam so nsɛ no Ade farasi ni bua Yesu se na Yesu se na why na so yese oye oni pe yonko o se di ohun ni mabo no ko de ko obi mabo James chapter 1 verse 20 nyam so pe obuju omu nyam so pe ho tie nyam so pe so nyame ani so obi e ko fa usia ne akogwo na ekunafo mabo wo si ho wa ho de trase enna me na o kase ko trase sa denti na ehia de modi wo sra wo sofo die efiri so wo sha so de ase no wo de ehia de modi wo sro ya de ma yam previous ne ma ani wa so afede awon na akono ni nyina efiri agya no na sabe efie eye onyame fie efie onyame na tim ana na wo de on hard na te sabe me ma ha da no a na wo de wonya wo ti aso de na no woni squaresi ne touch ne ba no de akoto asase si dan na wo de wan hwe de modi wo sro na wanya asase wo de modi no na wo ka chem se ame ncho nyame no nyame ne be kira me na wo de me correction na ba no ma international school abra me ma ko primary school e so abra me yes for na ma ne me ma ne ko school ti e den na de o ma wo yi o ma fi obi am ba ko school na do ma ko school papa mencha rade na rade no akoto Roma 8 to die say ade nyina di bo no che rade ni eti che rade no nyame mo ye nhyira ade chi no no de sabi won che rade na ka sabi no osi wona won mie na ni na ko nyi correction onye mo tight na mo nyina mo fa ni mia na enya ne adwuma no no de sabi won che rade na ne cast mienu miensa wo de say on so wo fulu ane ti na me nipa bebre Bible no mo mi amani ehu bi o kofi wa me hu bi afen mo sa for your business abam nansa na na ne pa ka mpefra afrika ne adane ka dealers afen ne ye to ka ton ne ye say eh akronfo mo sori ya mo ka Ghana politicians so mo ya akronfo aso for ma ba ya akronfo sin akronfo bi na wo hon wọ́n mọ̀ ya kronfo just a chronof just a me who said the metia describe na fa ọmọ chrono no in the highest limit edi yesu boase parasi fo ise na wo mla choni edi eni acho no bere ni o Bible na ekura de eni acho wo e kwa ba so ne fa so bo nya me adwuma si ye hia bu se ye de akisofo a a kwabas you read the book of Acts chapter 2 verse 40 making kind Acts chapter 2 verse number 42 making what say Acts chapter 2 verse number 42 make 42 what say wokura what say na okura somafo no enkyerɛkyerɛ ne yonkofa ne pan bubuo ene mpaebo muara me hu ba kra ni nyina so na somafo ne yawade ne senche ne pe na wona ogidi ye ni nyina hia fa ho na wona ne na nyina ye kwasafode no to wonya de ne wona ne ma no woche mu ma wona ade anya wo biara asomafo nyuana no ochiche mu mo biara de ehia no osofo to ankata tin yanka wo bokro no ya nsasa wo ji a wo ji ya wo se onyame dia so a wo gina wo ye nipa ya wo catch him so a man of God na ono oto so atiase esa so ono a goat of God esa so ono a chicken of God esa so ono a duck of God esa so ono a cat of God esa so ono a snake of God no ono no gina was a man of God. When God called the people of Israel, I'll say you will be my people and I'll be your God. Son of God is so afraid the new Levitical priesthood. In the book of 1 Peter chapter 2, say wamaya yena ne mind na disekuo ani asofo adisekuo. But obijina also no a man of God. Ne yeka a man of God. Hey, do not touch my anointing. And who only saw a man of God, you are punch of God. I never know you are punch of God. Every Israelite was on this year. Israeli bia your this year. Hileni yakwa. Hileni yakwa is Israel ni Jewish ni bia just on this year. As ye brace dear. As of one say on one a man of God. Ye the mulechi and then punching and then cats and elephants and hippopotamus and a tiger and a jaguar and whatever. Ye the Hosa say it's animals of God. We are now for the idea say wo catch congregation go say I am a man of God. No more there. John chapter 1 verse number 12. So do a Jim did a mount me so many yakupoma. Milka is a man of God. Mrs. So I am a woman of God. When I bet some of Yaka saw a man of God. Now the other Nana the collection will tight a man one. What was some one? Now ya what bam was some mammy watching me. Pamela was Nancy a better woman than me catches to be. Ah, mammy. I won't check a crabby now by metro. And they ye, or we am so sad. I tell a crabby, I'm not quite sorry. You quite sorry way, yeah. Eh, don't pay you on Ehu. Our Ghana, you on there, but I'm so merupa. And I'm say, chat tight. Oh, I'm the make bomb home of the pa. A bear 2 months in the Maya, basta entry mean to me, fan coy. Now, so wow, quite you. Oh, I'm saying, where fair Nazaz in a woman minister is a mezeka or. Me pom home was in pa, and me chemi bibia. And I'm so sir, and I watch the sir. Aye, mommy, me crabby jo am in tassy. And I'm so woman baby. I would have called suffer the hole. I would have called suffer the hole. A quana catching there. When Yamini pass, that's the lemon after one. No watch him. Matra chap rimoa, and fear Benny, and fear Numuni, and fear also my 10 years. na se kwa na akachen me ho ache me ma e basanti me hia moa se betuma mo boam na me tumi fa hye adwo ne kena na me tuma aye mo me yem oh ei me ko ase eyi no ho e da ba kro ho na me ne ko disket da me yesui ba lo le e o ka kire sofo ne le da ma de ne de o ntumi nye because nya me nkote e na me ho kirem na e fa ngusa ha ani no so me ne bi o sister me de ma won mo munim nyansa nya won mo mo yen kwasiafo ti me ne bi nya me de be boata nkura me fa boa na mse na no bi a oba me ncha na me nse ya ka me de sabi me sika no me de so to da tim frase koi oh mami na mse ame mommy me ya ba me ya be mama woni na ho ma woni na ho she wo be me so target of blessing wo be se wonyakopo bofo ho wo be se wonyakopo ehia wo de bra ho se ko enyame adwuma Nigeria for yi bi onum yeye onum short yi bi onum yeye sweetheart baba bi gina se no nyame yeye wodom wa ma obi a kali die fru akoma muma Second Corinthians chapter 9 kali die wo akoma mu fam obi so wo sa wo fi a wo te hye ehia fo gu fi o to bi kro wani nipa ma me bi onu aduane na nkra sensansa teti unu kuma se fie nu ani kep kosini adade obata bi wo bebre ehia de kunu pawu de kunu adwani agya no na nkra agu ne so bo so no sensansa fie ho wonu mu ntare basa no sensansa wo na wo se wo ye nyame adwuma nto okuru sika me se wo de kwasare minya ba ma ya he the book of 1 Timothy chapter 5 let's read that good.
Mama?
No, I am not ready.
You make a flower.
I'll go, I'm coming.
You make a flower.
I'll
Do you have your mom?
Maria,
Do you
I
have
wait for 18 and I'm 18. I'm Second Timothy. Friako na me ma de.
you make a flower?
The refi verse me ka de ba. I think the 1 Timothy chapter 5 verse 8 or 2 Timothy chapter 5 verse 8.
Let me smell the flower.
Mongo.
Let me go by myself. I want you to flower.
Me kaya ela for me de baba. Me re efi I think say could be second or first. I think say I don't know but me re efi verse no. Me kaya me de baba. I see so obi ntimi nso onu akasa ne fiefo a ne wanyi nimpo ne so won faso sen sa won papo. I say ha. Mekaya deba yanto ye disua na so enti ye read the book of James chapter 2 verse number 14 and 15. James chapter 2 verse number 14 and 15. Ye nyame adwuma no wa ye kuntan se de aso na ye fote ene ya hwe James chapter 2 verse number 14 15. Making kai 14 and 15. Or saying Minianum so because our GDA na so nyuma ni mu a emfa so ben na wo so and e wo mu GDA betumi age wana na se onua eba wo se na se oni wo se na se onua ana onua ba eda adja na da diane abon na no mu bi ka che ne se mo mfa asomdie nko na mo anya na mo nya mo ho ehye na mo nya mo ho hye ose na mo nya mo ho hye na mo men na so mo ma won dia ehia ahonama efa zo bei ene wo mu se gidie so etie no se eni enwuma na ewu ewo saa akware so ena so fofo no mte se papa ono from so papa o ono frefe sa so fo papa onyankopon kwa ne papa fa se wadum enfa ilaja ne ilasha de meka papa na say nkura no school fees no e ba ye no me headmaster no man bosome na bosome na so entimi ye no so bosome na so what ya so na so papa esi nkura ne tifie nche bia na panyini koye na exam mama menye worried kra menye worried onyame ti asi ye be bom paye ye be prayer towers phone ba ye be point of prayer amount ye be bom paye mo onyame adane headmaster na koma wo be bom paye mo Nyankopon adane headmaster na koma abra wosese wantimi anya honam ahia de amano a ejidie wuye abra woni pai woti asoda wo ahia ni ne ba school fees of exams wonso ye bom paye adane headmaster koma abra woseti kanu ankrofo edi twetwia ma wo wo be yi bia ma no eye ne ya ena dia sao obi yane no hia hospital ye bompaye every diseases every sicknesses God send his word and his word when they so nyame nsoma na sem na so nyame no obodu yefo look why a doctor look why a doctor na so no ka nyame asem as no that so a doctor Colossians chapter 4 verse 14 no be akona hia no na no asore bi mu obi to ne ba chena ma ne nufu no na hanina apempa nkwase na wasofo ti apaka bi mu na obata yi aso dem okwa na nipo ni ho wo hye ne ti no ho wo hye ne ye bie atade ye hye no na wesi bi obey pot mi se wa pempan no wo tire no o pensencheni na bofre numu no na watebe na no na wasofo e na asore honum won mo sisi wo hyem na obey me wura huyo onye ti kura woni ma de efa na ni wo ni e di kamla na ato omo ne ono no so ne bayi twe no ha na ni wa ise na ababa we yas apansam na so ka Onyankopon fi ampa ye bi ntra ho esan se Onyankopon man odo nyem hihie e wo ye ntam wo ye ho ya ho ti kofi nya ya madia amenya ye se wadia se wanya ye kofi dia musi ho ni pahia hia be ya wo sofo nansa no ye putum nansa na ye putum nansa na ntade papa no mo hye oko kan wo se ane de o kan sempa de din sempa na de ono so wo de ba de o de din na djuba ho minya ba ma hyeyi na osika na wo de kwa so dem ho se wo de kobo nyame adwuma dibi na fa bi bu nkrofo no motete ho no nyame be sha mo nyame abroso na sa wo no nyina ye oni pa so de o Onyankopon bi ante ho na ho sa dan wo nyame nti mu na ni pate oni pa umu no nyame te 1 Corinthians chapter 6 verse 15 up to 19 minya ba awrawo sama ekoso no wotimi wura so de mu be hu ahiafo be tese ahiafo ho no doso wo hwe ono mo duku wo hwe ono mo ntade wo hwe ono mo setenam wo hwe ono mo mame wo hwe ono mo fie ahiafo no doso ni asori ahre baba sadara ro baba everybody be makwara mi here baba ewie ya na eje correction everybody medjuma sem everybody we mopo everybody wa from me bra everybody wa kwa me bra everybody babo no ye din everybody ye bi anya ye bi mutimi bo ampa na ono mo su awa so dem ho ye we as offering time I want to tight about first of bra hey it yet mo din ni ye mo nyono ana mo bo ne sa no atiri mo din ni ye mo nyono osofo ban no se wo no sabi oye no kwafo onye de onyame rekwa from him osofo ban no se wo penkwa onye de Onyankopon sie se wonye mwana oso oye nyame nipa oni ne kure na onyame hira ndoro wore so ube konso de ma branch bi me se amane ni nti ono mo bompa e kura su ebrebi na no Ghana na me ye na baba wo bi se mama se yenko e friend se yo ya so de preaching kwa na so okay na nya hwe de ne yenko na me ju ono mbo ye bompa yes every spirit of poverty adan spirit bibia adan spirit abra nipa no kon jetre oye adwuma be yi na mrantie everybody ge bi de otrafo o se everybody no o so na me pressa everybody adamane ne doso everybody wo yere doso everybody won from mobile ge li sunye pa ya wo bo me ye bibia na nyeyi te se ani so pa me wo su obo pa so se na waka na wo ho ne amane ne koma wonam owie ya offering time ye raise sika kakra na ya mic baako mic no ya kwa repair no last week na sate wa kwa repair dey last week asate to osafo wa wu botom sika na wo de repair na ye den na girl ni sika bi amoama me hye ni di na want to help that girl ni sika bi amoama na wo ye fini botom no obiem na wo biem na wo tintim na wo de akoto correction bu na me say wo sa gewi sa sika wo de abetumi onyame be jon sam sade nyina ma Arafo, a service to God is a service to mankind. Obi obe catch us say a service to God ya sorry dem no. Oni an we kronfo. Obi obe catch us a service to God you obi also yes of na we yan. Wo wa wudina we yan. Ya wutimi sign sabi. Hwe mantem wo tenkora omugu ho no hwe bi komne sedi bi panta de onom sekora nye. Hwe bata ne bi brebre amane ye bi no nemu. Akora bia ko fampre wa nyi sempre wa wo nanum yetunfo ntie wa wo num ni sia akora brebre hwe ababa wa wo num woni kunu woni we wu no we hwe nkora tata wonum ko school because ono ade adwuma no na nkora be ko school na nkora igo nkora nyina so ye mojato Yakobon ye wonum na wasa we num nyina ho se wo disika ko bonya me adwuma na osofo wonyama abroso wa benyame adwuma mu di nyame adwuma ni sidan What is it dying? Na ya wo sweat ya. Aya wo sweat. Bini aba. Ekasa se ya ana me rafo. In the sense I don't know, I have some kind of passion whenever I see things like that, no. Na e ma reho. Se ne nipa na makwanya nsakwa so. We the book of Ezekiel 34. Was see ahwefo bone. Ahwefo adufo ne ahwefo nkwasiate. One more re nnuano honam no won sade awie. One more nnuano sade ne and pa ye wo nnuano ho. Ne nnuano bra on chichire. Ebi kwa ebi fredi anko we no. Saa so na se ebi na mubu a won chichire ma won no. Obeko ni ye catch sumnyame ye ma okra ye de kom na sumnyame Onyankopon no kwafo bra onyame no kwafo no aka che onyame enhwe ontima onyame nhwe wo ma de nche onyame ontoma na mfiri so ma obi o wo de fa woni paso woni penso na momo ka che onum se wonu fa emu adoi bi onpaso mo de bi onfa ma nyame fie enti wonu ma was the column benefit free sankrofo e wono ma ka che onfa ma nyame fie enti nkrofo na se bi onyame timi show maka de nche wo no mommomu mo age onyame ade tie no na mo di Minya ba minya be ma onyame hira yenya be my brother Michael Skaba and okrepa anyone who believes in religion lacks intelligence because he says not everything. People, as a poor people who needs hope, that something is better in another life because their current life is shitty. Yo, Nyakopo insha papa. Onyame insha o. Mr. Peter Mwakon, miya bema ya. Miya papa. Say it and say it again. God bless you more. God bless you, pastor. Hey, Mrs. Fortune Afrempom, who watch a bruta. Say that again, oh, mommy. Onyame insha pa. Mrs. Lolin Chansa, yo, me da se pa, me kuma ba ko pe. Me kuma ba I say that again. I know the pastors. You know them, I know. I have quite a West class you can have. And yeah, sister Nafiye. I say same thing happened in New York. A young Pentecost church leader died in an apartment for weeks. Nobody noticed. Church person looked for her well about. She rotted in an apartment for a neighbor. Yes, I want to see because me free so. Bra bo siakwenchi. Thank God, say thanks to God, you are here. Onyame shaba. Bless Allah, my network. When I have your network, me bay. Na friends nana o appear brother onyamishia sister Justina onyamishira brother Christopher Wusu onyamishira papa friend say ebiko entima abodi afache me anga me darling black chase be onyamishira brother kwa me twim na say me te won ka che pa honestly me nya be ma one pa me te won ka che brother na say she amai me bra Canada finish ya mai onyame hira na Stephen Potofi onyame hira papa blada onyame ema wo so ahoden sister Cecilia Mponsa onyame hira na efene say Penny Jackson onyame hira pa sister Amanel mete won ka che papa sister Elizabeth Tayi onyame hira pa sister onyame hira Osofo Isaac Opoku Penyin onyame chira pa osofo onyame chira even say mi anga sa me de hie pesla onyame chira sister Sala Tebua onyame chira pa sister Sandila onyame chira sister Genevieve Oduro onyame chira brother Set Kwabena Jan onyame chira sister Cecilia Mponsa onyame chira brother Gara onyame chira beto ngache brother Kojo Bafu onyame chira Brother James Ewa mi anga samde se onyame chira Margaret Odum onyame chira papa onyame chira brother Otin Steven onyame chira Rametu Sule onyame chira papa enua ba na enua be ma sister Comfort Konadu onyame chira papa odifo ba onyame chira Sam Amuatin onyame chira Alesamwa mpacha me ba brother onyamisha munyina onyankopon emma onyame mma adehieku ye onyankopon na apamo we dem pacha me ba sese hello Good afternoon. What is that? Meton kapa nyamiada wo ma no ye pa. Ewie. Za da fe na waka wo ma me. Za Oni me preach on Facebook so me wi an ma fra why. Na sure mu see me frost see enche why yo nyami sra bye etimi nyanom ya de ebesu he ya na de make kan se ya me yani na ho yenya hwe yie onyame adwuma no ayeye no se pese ye nyame adwuma yenya ma afofo yenya pamu afofo se ke ye se ya on ka poverty rate no Ghana no ka aya drastically kura. That's what it. That's the bia ya the denomination si ho. Minye bi yesofo wotie me. Ono ankasa wagye fom so atom. Minye bi evangelist wotie me. Wagye fom so atom. Minye bi o chechef wotie me. Wagye fom so atom. Minye bi odifo wotie me. Wagye fom so atom. Asofo nyina adoma chede ahodo asofo ne nyina. Obia de ne fom so atom. Eti ye fa kwa we so na ya amend e waste. Mama nyai na da ne de ebedini ye beche wiase no ye bre no enne kohwe omudi free coat mpefra so no adwurubre bi no omudi coat na competition enne omudi fie na competition say dey cars na omudi competition obi bottom na dey competition onyame hire nyina mo mpai konkro asafowade ade na so tumfo a odo ye doso Mobro wuti mo da na nam nsa no hima so ye nsenkyerene agya pa enneso wannam wasam so abekasa kyerɛ ye ya dɔte o ye wonsam na ade afa yemu abran ye agya wunkuto na da bia okasa ma mato na koma so no one makuma ede no wasem bowura mu say the wasem called the book of Hebrews chapter 4 verse 12 so wasem ye nam se granted for the bowura no mpani akoma ne adwamo and the wasem abey Awurade Nyankopon mabo na mo asobia ne akoma bi etie ye no emfa de sakra free mu enye nkwaje no hwadwuma se obeyam afoforo na se okokuru ne no nyam ajapa hu ne mabo na me nyasa no mu ne yetimi dia nante wakwan so aye pe abra ne nche no opie wo ne mo nyam na de watemmu akura nsadi fa so dia bra ye yesa wo so ma yetimi anante no kwanim na bre bi dwura wa mfa ye no so amu aye ta ko se e da wasese wa ye di adom ye adom aburu ho ensa de nche na amen arafo nyame insha mo papa na ye nyina ye nyesa evangelist Ima onyame insha papa ye nyina ye nyesa onyame insha mpajo ene adofo evangelist akasesem we did yes evangelist akasesem ya insha
Mama
brother Samamwate so I join ye onyame insha mo pa ya wie nyame adoma ebesati ye ho nka bi. Bye bye.